Epic Fan's wireless iFan control is here. Designed to optimize airflow control management while reducing installation costs, this cutting-edge innovation brings unparalleled flexibility and efficiency to industrial and commercial environments. The new iFan wireless control system operates on an RF 900 MHz network, enabling seamless communication between fans over distances of up to 1,500 feet. Even in environments with walls, racking, and other line-of-sight impediments, users can trust consistent, reliable connectivity without needing traditional low-voltage wiring. Key benefits of the wireless HVLS Fan Control: eliminates low-voltage wiring, seamless integration, enhanced flexibility, reliable wireless connectivity, expandable coverage. At Epic Fans, we're committed to providing innovative, high-performance solutions that improve energy efficiency and ease of use.